Hi, I'm Joe Cerrone.
And I'm Alan Rosen.
We're making this short video to introduce ourselves to the students who are registered for CAD 116 Basic AutoCAD. Al, would you like to talk a little bit about the course?
Yeah, it starts this Sunday. It's a face-to-face course. That means we're live over at Skokie Campus, room P132. Hope to see all of you there. We get there about 8 o'clock. Class starts about 9. We're there afterwards for little questions and answers, review if you need to. Joe?
Yeah, the room is located in the P wing, which is the newer wing of the campus. It's down by the loading dock, actually. And so we'll be there at 8 o'clock. We have office hours 1 hour before the class starts. And we'll be using the D2L core shell, which is this that you see on the back of the screen. We'll introduce that to you on the first day of class. But if you're familiar with classes at Oakton, we'll use this learning management tool, which can be accessed by saying d2l.oakton.edu. And I almost got it. Let's try it one more time.
Everybody makes mistakes. We're human.
And so this is the course CAD 116 OW1. And it starts the 27th and it goes until December, I want to say 13 minus 3, December 10th, thereabouts. I would have to check that. Let's take a look at that. December 10th, correct. We've given instructions on how to install the CAD software, but you don't necessarily have to have it on your computer. It's just something that's a benefit for taking the course. The textbook that we'll be using is AutoCAD 2023, and that can be purchased in the bookstore, or you can purchase that by clicking on this link and looking at purchase options. We like to use the ebooks, and so you can request an ebook, or if you'd like a printed copy. If you're using a voucher, you can redeem that voucher for the textbook at the bookstore. Bookstore is not open on Sundays. I would have to check the bookstore hours at Oakton. We can do that. Let me pause and do that. Resuming, so the bookstore is located at the Des Plaines campus and at the Skokie campus. It's open Monday through Thursday. Skokie campus 9 a.m. to 5:30, Fridays 8:30 to 4:30. And if you're attending the Des Plaines campus, that information and the locations of the room is given right here. Alrighty, back to the course shell. So we're looking forward to the course. We have everything laid out in the D2L course shell with the syllabus and the outline of topics. We'll be working on modules, drawing things with CAD, and we'll follow our textbook learning objectives. Our first class will start off by creating these plate drawings, these general design type coursework. Alrighty, there is student support available. If you need any additional assistance, feel free to send us an email. We're looking forward to seeing you on Sunday. And Al, I'm just restoring back if there's anything else that we want to say as we wind up this short video.
Not really. That should do it. Hopefully see you all coming back to see us on Sunday. I'd like to see everybody there by each Sunday.
Alrighty then. Thank you. And this ends this video.